Goodwill brings to you the major happenings in the stock market dated November 30th, 2022. GLAND Pharma to acquire 100% stake in Cenexi Group. The pharma company, through its wholly owned subsidiary GLAND Pharma International Pte. Limited Singapore, has entered into a put option agreement to acquire 100% of Cenexi Group. Cenexi Group will be acquired for an equity value up to 120 million euros. The effect of the news was negative in the market. Stock fell down more than 4% in today's intraday trade. As we can see in the daily charts, a big red candle has been formed indicating bearishness in the stock. Chinese e-commerce giant Alibaba Group Holding Limited is planning to sell a stake of around 3% in food delivery platform ZOMATO worth $200 million through a block deal, Reuters quoted a report as saying on Tuesday. Wall Street brokerage Morgan Stanley would be the broker of the deal. The effect of the news was neutral in the market. Stock was trading flat in today's market. As we can see in the daily chart, stock opened gap up, then there was some profit booking in this stock, making the candle small. New Delhi Television Limited founders Prannoy Roy and Radhika Roy have resigned as directors of promoter group vehicle RRPRH with immediate effect. The effect of the news was positive in the market. Stock was locked in 5% upper circuit today. As we can see in the daily chart, stock opened gap up with heavy demand in the counter. State Bank of India board on Tuesday said that it has approved raising 10,000 crore rupees through infrastructure bonds during the financial year 2023. The lender in its regulator filing said it is a green shoe option of 5,000 crore rupees. Life Insurance Corporation of India offloads 2.15% stake in BHARAT BIJLEE. Life Insurance Corporation of India sold 2.15% stake in BHARAT BIJLEE via open market transactions. With this, LIC's shareholding in the company reduced to 4.54% from 6.69% earlier. INOX Green Energy Services initiates strategic action to deleverage its balance sheet. INOX Wind and its subsidiary INOX Green Energy Services, as part of the strategic initiative to deleverage their respective balance sheets, have recently paid 250 rupees crore and 161 rupees crore towards reducing their debt. GreenPanel Industries to wind up subsidiary in Singapore. The company said its board of directors approved the winding up of wholly owned subsidiary GreenPanel Singapore Pte. Limited. The board also approved write-off of the investment in the subsidiary to the extent of impairment of the asset due to accumulated losses of the subsidiary. Let's look into today's market movers and their direction with possible targets. Lakshmi Finance and Industrial Corporation Limited is trading with 20% gains and has witnessed a volume surge today while breaking its previous high. The stock opened gap up at 140, then moved to 144 within the first hour. The stock may be expected to continue the up move till 160 price level, which is the previous high of the stock made in the month of September. Tarmat Limited is trading with 19% gains. The quarterly results were announced on 15th of November, and from that day the stock has been moving upwards from a price level of 46 rupees. Today the stock is trading at 58 rupees, which is the day's high thus far. Volume also has played a great role in this up move. A number of shares traded today is 5 lakh shares. Bhandari Hosiery Exports Limited is trading positively and is up by 18%. There is a significant support present at the 4.5 price level. Accumulation at this level for positional traders may give you an upside of up to 10%. Number of shares traded in the morning session is 20 lakh. Housing and Urban Development Corporation is currently trading up by 12%. The stock has witnessed a volume surge today with 530 lakh shares being traded. Price moved very aggressively from the morning by opening gap up from 49 rupees to 54 rupees. The stock had taken support at 35 rupees before making this move. Nucon Limited is trading positively by 9%. The stock was trading in a consolidation range for the past 2 months. There is a significant support present at the 101 price level, which it has respected and moved upwards from yesterday. Volume traded is 2.7 lakh shares today.